What's up guys, it's Matthew. Today we're going to be doing an install of some brand new Spyder halo headlights on my 2003 GMC Yukon. Here's the install.
What is this? No idea what that is.
Yeah.
Now, purple is going to go to red and white. I'm gonna be a wiring pro by the time this YouTube channel gets monetized. It's the fog light positive. Gotta crimp it on.
You think people were just taking in lakes back in the day?
No, I think they buried it a lot.
Think so?
Mm-hmm.
They probably saw animals bury it. They're like, okay, we'll bury it too.
What we did is we took the wiring from these old fog lights and we actually wired them to the running halos on the headlights. And so when you go into the car, hit this button right here.